Usapan natin ngayon, how to handle the stress. Paano natin ma-avoid tong stress sa...
Why is Christmas a stressful season? When it's supposed to be
a joyous season.
Yeah, it's supposed to be the
Actually,
merriest season of the year.
You're right, kasi we do things last minute. We
is
do
that
all
a
the
Filipino
shopping.
trait?
Parang napapansin ko ganun na eh. No? Oo.
Oo.
Parang
So,
last minute everything, buying gifts and introducing our, alam mo na yung mga kaibigan natin or being with the family. Parang last minute yung ginagawa natin.
So that contributes to the stress because...
That could be one.
Because you try to compress
Everything into 1 or 2 days.
Okay.
So, kumbaga, we have 2 days, the Christmas and the New Year. Tapos lahat kino-compress natin sa 2 araw na yan.
Paano nagre-react ba usually, Doktora? Yung kapag nai-stress ka, hindi naman automatic na kakain ka, di ba?
Oo, actually, ang stress ay nakaka-apekto sa buong katawan natin. Physically, kaya nga napapansin natin pagkatapos ng Christmas season, ang daming tumataas ang presyon. That, no? Nakita mo yung mga pagkain na siniserve talaga. They're really rich in cholesterol.
Oo, collateral.
Ng Christmas season as something to break free, to get loose, no? Or to enjoy, especially pag may mga family members tayo going from abroad and coming back to the Philippines. So nakita mo talaga, talagang fiesta. Siguro we have to plan ahead of what we're going to do for, usually, pag start ng December 16, wala na.
There should be a battle plan.
Yeah, you should have a plan. And when you buy gifts, probably hindi lang sa last minute, mga December. But siguro every now and then, if you find some good items, you buy it na.
Actually, that's what I do.
Tago mo sa baon.
For me, Chris, it's a fact that Christmas season is also the highest incidence of suicide. Diba?
Is it?
Usually, pag December,
December, the Christmas season.
medyo mataas ang depression.
Diba?
Bakit? Di ba dapat...
nagsasaya ang mga tao.
Yung iba, kapag hindi ka makasabay sa saya ng iba, that means you become worse? You feel worse?
Hindi naman. It's remembering moments probably in the past. Halimbawa, yung mga taong nawala na sa buhay mo, you remember them. Or halimbawa, the Christmas season right now is not as it used to be before. And dun may mga recollections na would bring back memories.
So when you feel like that, when you're I don't want to say naman when you're feeling suicidal, no, but when you
depressed.
When you start feeling
Let's
depressed.
Say feeling sad
Or
lang.
feeling sad, melancholy or so diba? How do you fight that? Kasi a lot of people experience that in
especially when they hear Christmas songs.
Yes.
Pag konting sadness lang and you can perform naman your daily activities. Siguro you just have to distract yourself from that thought and at the same time be with people who are very supportive of you, tapos mga family members mo who are what you term as nagkakaroon ng positive na influensya sa'yo. Importante yun eh.
Pero huwag masyadong uminom sa mga
please no,
get-together.
So you recommend that
drinks.
you be in the company of other people instead of locking
be
yourself
alone.
up.
Don't be alone.
Yeah,
Don't be alone. So that's the worst thing that you can do.
Kasi when
to be
you're
alone.
alone, kasi Papi, ang daming papasok sa isip mo eh.
Marami tayong mga parents, loved ones nasa abroad. And when Christmas comes, dito mo talaga mararamdaman yung I wish you were here.
Lalo yung mga OFW families. Marami
exactly.
yan, diba?
So anong nakikita ninyong trend dito, Dr. Babes? Kung are there people really who need professional help because depression is something that is getting, a lot more frequent among the Filipino families?
Actually, tumataas talaga incidents worldwide.
Worldwide?
Ng depression.
Talaga.
Yes. Siguro ang gagawin natin is always to remember na life has a lot of challenges. Kahit man may family member ka o wala, or you're in the Philippines or abroad, always remember na ang mindset Na always be happy no matter what will happen.
Nako,
And try to focus on some positive things sa buhay mo. Kasi syempre, lahat naman tayo nagkakaroon ng stress.
Oo. There is merong phenomenon. As a matter of fact, meron daw naiinom na
Antidepressant
Oo,
pill.
Gamot.
oo. Is that something that you will encourage? I mean, healthy po ba 'yun? Merong
I would not encourage yung over-the-counter medications kasi it should be upon the advice of the expert, of the
Yeah.
doctor.
Doctor, I'm curious. What are people depressed more about? Is it about their love life or is it about their financial conditions? Ano yung mas lumalamang?
Base dun sa experience ko is more of loved ones, family, and
Loneliness.
financial losses.
And
Financial
work
losses.
problems.
So, the first
But it's
one.
more of relationships.
More than this. So,
Yes.
mas talaga. Di ba?
Paano mo malalaman na, etong kamag-anak ko na to, kailangan na ng professional help?
Kapag siya ay nalulungkot palagi, kapag sobrang down at pakiramdam niya hopeless, helpless,
Ano yung manifestations ng hindi kumakain?
hindi kumakain,
Hindi natutulog.
hirap matulog,
Tulala.
isa din yon.
Ano pa?
At ang pakiramdam mo na parang lahat down, wala kang energy,
Oo.
sobra kang pagod.
Parang lethargic
Tapos
ka.
pagdating ng morning, parang feeling mo, morning na naman.
Oo.
Okay.
Mabigat.
Parang wala talagang
Oo.
motivation.
Nothing to look
Not
forward to.
motivated.
Tapos hindi gumingiti, hindi natatawa, parang gano'n.
Different talaga yung kanyang itsura and always crying.
Hindi naliligo. Kasi sabi nila, pag nagiging depressed, di ba, parang nawawala yung mag-ayos, maligo.
Kasi you don't care anymore.
Yeah, magsuklay, di ba,
Yeah.
magbihis, di
At
ba?
kapag merong mga suicidality or
Oo.
pag-iisip na gusto
Oo.
magpakamatay,
Oo.
then that's something that you have
Parents,
to
mga kapatid,
remember.
mga kamag-anak, and watch out for
Yan ang mga
those
simptomas.
signs.
Oo.
watch out for those
Oo.
red signs.
Red
Yeah.